Welcome to 502 South Cleveland, Unit 3C. You have a single light door that opens up this way in case you just want to access patio for yourself, or it opens up in a bifold and goes all the way back to the wall, making ultimate indoor-outdoor entertainment area. The kitchen itself, high-end appliances, 2 dishwashers, wash just a couple things, wash a couple more things, or wash everything when you have the big party. Warming drawer, 2 sinks, granite countertops, and a cooktop. Refrigerator, freezer combo, owner's locked-in closet, super open floor plan, highest-end vinyl plank flooring, large laundry room, washer, dryer, sink, secondary bedroom, lots of light, very bright. It also has a Juliet balcony, which gives you a little more than a peekaboo view of the ocean. Great feature to have. This is your elevator, hold 4 people, directly down to your 2-car garage, which is a tandem garage. Master suite, another great side balcony, looks out to the ocean. That has a really good ocean view. Dual sinks, full bathtub, walk-in shower, and a very good sized closet. Marble backsplash, limestone top, private toilet area. This is the 3rd bath with limestone flooring. This is for your guests, you're entertaining. And lastly, the 3rd independent bedroom. Auxiliary entrance or exit is only accessible to Unit 3. 3 flights down, takes you all the way to the street. This is the highest of the 3 units in the building. It has a very nice skyline ocean view. All the units here are laid out for vacation rental purposes as well as permanent residency. Thanks for visiting 502 South Cleveland.